What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this vegetable chopper. And I have an onion, and hopefully I don't cry on y'all. So I got this vegetable chopper, of course, from you know where, Amazon. You guys, most of the world shop on there anyway. So right here it says dices and shreds and slices. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. On here it says this is all that comes with it. Hopefully the camera can focus in because I can't really see you guys, so hopefully y'all see all that. If I try to remember to post it on the screen, it says attention on here, and I'll let y'all read all that. You got to be careful, be careful, be careful. All right, now we have that underway. Pause it, read it. All right, let me get closer for y'all. Y'all can pause and read all the important stuff. All right, I'll probably post it anyway. That way everybody is safe. I do want to look for some cutting gloves as well for me and my wife. Get some cut proof gloves or cut resistant gloves. So right here we have a tool right here, and it looked like a bunch of sharp pointers in there. Let me go ahead and take this out for y'all so y'all can see. Look like this is a serious tool right here. Gonna pull out here. We have the big baby, and wow, this is a lot to unpack, and the instructions should be somewhere, you guys. I hope. Oh yeah, we got the instructions. Cool. This is the thing that I'm looking for. Oh, you guys, this is cool. All right, I'm gonna take a photo of this. I'm gonna post it here, but hopefully y'all can see that. This thing actually separate the yolk and your white eggs. Wow, this is nice. I like that. All right. Ooh, that's sharp. Ooh, be careful, you guys. Be careful with that. I almost cut myself. Wow. The blades on here is very, very, very sharp. Ooh, that was close. Cut resistant gloves. That's what I need. All right. I'm just being cautious now on what I'm doing and what I'm touching. All right, you guys. It looked like a little clipper attachment on this. All right, so this looks simple, but the instructions don't really tell you how to put it together. So I'm assuming that this goes on top as that. This is your container to take all of your clippings and, you know, wash it. So this is good. You have a little strainer basket, very nice. And it fits right in the middle. It have like a little cut edge right here, cut edge, so it can't really go too far. All right, now this, let me see, there's no clamp to clip it. No, so this just goes down. There's no clamps to it. I guess if you want to carry it, you got to carry it like this. If you want to lift it up, then you can use this handle, but you can't like lift it. So I guess it don't matter. Right here is where you set your cutter at. This part goes down and it fits right in there, and it's nice and flush. Everything is flush right here. Definitely be careful because the blades are right there. I cut my onion up just so it could fit in here, and I just want to see if this will work. I don't know which way. Should I just put it? I'll put it flat for right now, and let's see. Wow. Like nothing. All right. Let me lift it up. Now you lift it up, and you can see that it made the cuts. I'm going to take this one out, and I'm gonna put the smaller one on. Make sure that the recess part is down. Put this on like that, and wow, this thing is awesome, you guys. This thing is awesome. All right, and it made it very nice and skinny. Okay, nice and skinny. Go ahead and put that with your cooking. All right, so to clean out your little bristles right here, to clean out that, you have a brush, and just wipe your brush and get all of the onions out, or whatever you cut. So we have the egg separator right here. And this is for the people that like using, want to separate their yolk from the white. So this will be good. So we are going to check that out. Going to put it right here. And of course we don't have our basket. You don't need a basket. You can just use your regular glass. We have our egg. Put it in. And it works. This, you guys, this is, get this, buy this. Buy this, it works. The yolk is separated. This is trash. All right, so the yolk is separated, you guys. The white part is in here. All right, even mixed with the onion. So this will be a pretty good little breakfast sandwich that I'm doing right now. I do not know exactly what this is for, but it says molded finger guard as for what I can see here. But yeah, I probably won't even be using this. The thing we'll use the most is either one of these little slicers right here, one of these slicing blades, or one of the shavings. We will probably use shavings, slicing blades, and stuff like that. The egg yolk, I know some family members, they like separation with the yolk and the egg and stuff like that. So this will definitely be a cool product. Well, this will definitely be a cool tool to use in our arsenal right here. Other than that, you guys, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.